With a bird on it? Slide bird call? I don't have one. Huh. You guys give me one? Alright. Thanks. I need all the help I can get. Sound effects, I love them. If nothing else, you gotta like the beat. E-I-O. Yeah, baby. E-I-O. And a moo-moo there. Had a farm. Yeah, E-I-O. I got one more, Arnie. I got one more, okay? We'll let one more? Okay. All right. I've never heard Old MacDonald Farm quite done by, like that one. All right, that's pretty jazzy. I don't know what the heck's coming up next. But this is the last one, okay, Arnie? Okay, Captain, that's okay. Okay, Captain. Here we go.
Be kind to your web-footed friends.
Oh, yeah, I love this one.
Somebody's mother. She lives on the edge of a swamp, where the weather is always damp.
Well, there you go, Arnie. What do you think, huh? Did we do pretty good? Oh, thank you, Captain. You did real good. Thank you. Me and Maria had a good time. Yeah, I couldn't keep up with her, you know, but I'm telling you, thank you very much, Captain. Have a good day. Wear your mask. You too, Arnie. Later, dude. Alright, there you go. A personal friend of mine, Arnie Schwarzenegger. He's down in Hollywood, I guess, whatever. And yeah, so he's up on that stuff. He likes that stuff. And yeah, what else we gotta do here? Come on, you guys, don't let me. I don't want the damn cricket time. Yeah, see, got cricket time. That ain't good. Yeah, that's one thing I learned at broadcasting school. Yeah, broadcasting. Brown Institute. You don't want cricket time. Shut the hell up. That cricket don't want to shut up though. There's the boy got rid of that little critter. Anyways, when I went to Brown, I didn't go to Brown Institute. I did shit. I didn't go none of that. As you can probably tell, right? That's okay. It's a little hobby of mine, and I'm not out to impress anybody. I'm just trying to kill some time, and maybe make a few people laugh along the way. Oh, what's this? Oh, someday we're going to play that Jesus Christ Superstar. Right, guys? Jesus Christ Superstar is pretty cool stuff. It was kind of, well, not risque, I guess, but no, not risque, but kind of a controversial type thing for when it came out and stuff like that. What's this other stuff here we got? Well, this ain't good. Oh, yeah, well, it could be. Nah, I don't like that one. I don't like that. We're going to go to my brother's song here. If you haven't heard it before, it's my little brother Bruce. He lives down in the Mankato area, and he is a professional musician. And he's got a song out called Mystery Train. If you never heard it, you're about to hear it. And this, it's probably 15, 20 years old, this song. And anyways, there you go. This is Bruce. And he plays down at the Coffee Hag in Mankato. Of course, nobody's been playing anywhere lately. But anyway, this is Bruce. I hope you enjoy it. Hell of a musician and songwriter. Here you go. Mystery Train.
Was searching all over, sometimes blind, to find some new tracks on a new railroad line. 'Cause the old ones were broken and rusted. I was going nowhere and never had enough time. All I needed was some kind of magic to pull me out of this hole. Something to carry and deliver me to a much higher place in my soul. And I know that I can get there, because someone keeps ringing that big train bell. Yes, I know that I will get there if I can stop waging war on myself. Riding on the mystery train. I've been going through a lot of big changes, and where I'll end up, I just can't say. But I do know what I've gained has been instilled by great pain, and thousands of moments turned gray. There were times I fooled myself in believing that I was right where I needed to be. But when the fog had all lifted, I saw the tracks had been shifted, and I knew that I was in some fantasy. But I just keep looking forward, because most of my past has been drenched in rain. Yes, I keep on moving forward on this shame-driven mystery train. I paid for my ticket long time ago, with every dream that got burned and blew away in smoke. But like smoldering ashes that won't ever die, I keep running to truth, but I never arrive. I just keep on looking forward, because most of my past has been drenched in rain. Yes, I keep on pushing forward on this shame-driven mystery train. Yes, I keep on looking forward, because most of my past has been drenched in rain. Yes, I keep on pushing forward on this shame-driven mystery train. I'm riding on the mystery train. I'm riding on the mystery train. I'm riding on the...
There you go. That's a little bit of Bruce. Yeah. Yeah. Very, very talented man. Yes, indeed. I hope you enjoyed that. What'd you think, Popeye?
Oh, hey there, elbows. Hey there, Bluto. Where's my spinach? Somebody took my spinach. Oh, well, blow me down.
Who else is here checking in with the old captain? Let's see who else is out there.
Hey everybody, my name's Pee-wee. What's
Hey,
yours?
Pee-wee. You gotta love it. You gotta love it, I'm telling you. Crazy deal out there, huh, guys? Yeah. 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 And even Axel, he checks in with the old captain. Yeah, he does. Yeah. Oh, Axel in Axel Treehouse. Yeah. Yeah. I had Carmine the nurse, don't you know? Yeah. Walking around with that long black hole. She ain't putting it you know where. She thinks she's going to, but she ain't, I'm telling you. No way. Right? I don't think so. Well, I got the wrong disc of Rooney here I was playing. Well, what do we got here?